Alright, in this video we're just watching along. You can see the keyboard shortcuts for YouTube right there to go back, pause, and to play or go forward. So just watch along and take note of some of the tools that you have available to you to design a label within the P-Touch software. You can notice I bounce between professional and express for different options. If you're looking for a tutorial for something like this, please let me know in the comments and I'll definitely put one out there. Not sure what the audience is for something like this, so we're just gonna leave the video like this and I'll go ahead and shut up and let you watch.